If you're looking to build your first website for your business in 2021, this course is going to teach you step by step how to do that with Joomla without coding or without any prior experience. So I look forward to you all taking this course. So once again, the page builders, they utilize, similar things. They just have it laid out differently. So if you look at the interface for Gridbox, it's different from Quicks and it's different from Page Builder. But the bottom line is all of these they pretty much do the same thing. So let's go over here. You see you have add-ons. These are all the different add-ons that you can put on the page. And again, if you move your mouse over here, wherever you move your mouse, you can edit any section. You see the green highlighted. You see the blue, you can edit this. You can edit the content. As I move my mouse, it's showing you that you can edit anything that you see on here. You can drag and drop things too. Let's say you wanted to move, you can move this one up. You can move it down. And let's go over some of the features with SP Page Builder. So you see here, when you put your mouse here, these are the different options that you have. You can edit, you can clone, you can save. If you wanted to disable this, you can click to disable it so no one is going to see it. And you can change the image that you see here. You can change the width. You can put it in the lightbox, open the lightbox format. And then you go over to the style. This is where you change the text color. You change the background. When you click here, let's go to style. You can change the heading, just the text color right now. So let's say I wanted to change that. I can move this, move it around. I can have a none. The color is none. And let's see what else. The shape, enable shapes. As you see right there, I just enable a shape at the very top. I can change how I want that shape to be. I can change the different types of shape that I want. I can change the color of the shape. I can do for the top. I can flip it over. And I can do the same thing too for the bottom shape if I wanted to do a bottom shape, which gives you a lot of creativity and flexibility to design things and give it a certain look. Now, of course, how I did it like this just doesn't look right, but you can, the point is you can be able to adjust it and make it look how you want it to be. So that's how the sections work. And you have the animations. You can have fast, how you want it to come, to slide in, to scroll in. And then you have your responsive tab. You can hide certain sections on the mobile. You can hide it on the tablet and on the desktop. So I just hit it. Now it's not available on the desktop, but it's available everywhere else. And at the bottom here again, you see how it's going to look on a tablet and a mobile phone. And then you look in your computer. So now let's go back over here. One of the things too about Page Builder is that it gives you a lot of different add-ons, like almost 60 add-ons if I'm not mistaken. So the great thing about having a lot of add-ons is that you have so much control over how you want things to be. You can add in, if you want to add something, you just drag it and you drop it. Just like that, I'll just add a new section. So you drag and drop, and it's that simple. So let's go back over here. Let's take a look at what's called blocks. Blocks are a great way for you to build a website faster. Really lightning speed. So when you click on this drop down here, it gives you different sections of your website. So let's say for the hero, this is usually like the start of a website, right? If you see something here that you want, all you have to do is just drag and just drop it. So now, for some reason that didn't show, but you drag and you drop it, it's going to put in the content that you see here. And the same thing too for any one of these. If there's something you see you want to put, you can just drag it and just drop it, and you see right there, it's showing right there. So if I wanted to build, let's go to pricing, for example. If I wanted to create a pricing section, all that I would have to do is find the pricing type that I want, just drag it, and then just drop it. And I can come here to edit each section of this particular pricing. So you can go through here with the blocks. You can go through image carousel. There's a new one. Testimonial carousel. That's a new one. So blocks are really great because they speed up your workflow. And time is money. If you're building a website, you don't want to have to spend unnecessary time doing something when you can just kind of get it, 1, 2, 3. You put a block on there and then you can, go. There's no need to reinvent the wheel. I always tell people that just use what you have and just keep going. And next, we're going to take a look at layouts. There are 26 different layout bundles. What are layout bundles? Layout bundles allow you to build full-scale websites. So what they've done is they've created complete starter pack websites for different industries. So if you wanted to do something, let's say for the media and the entertainment, this is what they have, and you click on that. It's going to show you all the pages that are part of this package. You can also click the live demo to see how it looks live. If you want to build something for the travel and lifestyle industry, they'll show you here. So if you see something that you like, all you have to do is just click import, and it's going to import all these pages to your site. And all that you would have to do from that point on is just for you to edit the page, as I've showed you, So they have 26 layout bundles. You can scroll through and see the type that you like. You just click import, and everything is going to be imported just like that. And this saves time too, because there are times when I'm need to create a website for someone or for myself or for a project, and I don't want to do anything custom. I don't want to spend time, creating the buttons, the background, all that stuff. I'll just come in and I say, I like this bundle. Let me just see what this looks like. I import it, and I can just start to edit. So that definitely speed up your workflow. So now let's go over to tools. With tools, you have your page setting. You can be able to change the title, the category. Now, the benefits of having categories, that as you start to add more content on your website, categories is going to help you differentiate, and keep things organized for you. You have to publish, you have to access control as well. You can create specific pages for specific groups of people. And then you have the SEO, description, meta tag, your open graph. Utilize this as well, is really great. And then of course you have your CSS. And then you have your My Sections. So the My Sections, one of the things that you're going to realize is that for the My Section and My add-on, as you build your website, you're going to have a lot of things that are repetitive. So you want to make sure that all the things that are repetitive, that you're able to just drag and just drop. You can repurpose them, you can reuse them again. You can empty content, you can add to menu, and then if you go here to pages, it's going to show you all the pages that you currently have. So again, as you've seen, these are really awesome page builders that will definitely make your workflow a lot easier. One of the things about building a website is that, as I mentioned, time is money. You don't want to spend time doing unnecessary things that, just for doing sake. So all of these are tools that you can be able to utilize. You can be able to build. And I have extensive tutorial that covers everything for all three of them. You can learn how to use them, all the bells and the whistles that comes with it. So now that you have a basic understanding of how this works, it is up to you to pick and choose the one that you want to go with, and then just search for my channel, follow the tutorials to get your website up and going. So in the next lesson, we're going to actually install Joomla and then use one of these to start to build the website.